You helped to teach me. Tell me why you helped me just to only do it briefly. Completely introduced us and it was easy. We still going through it but discreetly. Sometimes you were the only man capable of even reaching me. Peppa Pig Live, the occasional Reese's Pieces. Telling everybody that came into my room how you hooked up my TV and you ain't even need me. But mommy keep on crying and you keep on leaving. Can't believe how routinely you couldn't see me. Got me picking up the pieces of the Paw Patrol lunchbox you bought me for the holiday season. We trying to break even, but everything you tell me is a fairy tale. I found myself trying to make believe it. Got a new teacher. He taught me keep my eyes on my paper. By the way, me and mommy doing decent. Wasn't like my last, because my daddy's nothing like my dad. I never liked to brag much, but my mommy found a new man who brings her flowers every day, does everything that you can. But you gone and he here, he takes me to the park too. Honestly, he feels like a part two, part you. You about to miss mommy graduation and it's late. How you breathe without your heart? I'm patiently waiting. Couldn't teach me about God, couldn't save me from Satan. Matter of fact, we can save the debating. Look at me, I can tie my own shoe now. We moved into a new town, so any chance of reconciliation is futile. Mommy said you moved out because you outgrew us. A true intruder, I see a new one in my future. I'm borderline mad that you wasn't organized. If you would arrange all the lies in your storyline, I could be sleeping in you this very minute. You promised me priority, but it always came with limits. No longer timid, I guess you taught me what a man is worth. Always tell the truth, better keep your family first. I tried concentrating on the positive, but could never understand the hurt. We just missed our anniversary. Cut me off, a little kid on the honor roll. We going different ways, we got a different common goal. I'm sick of crying with this snotty nose. Behind closed doors, I'ma find my way and you can find yours. I can tell you've been living for the moment. Your heart's frozen.